Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week we are making a lentil soup. Now in these soup videos I really do like to focus on ingredients that people may not have used much or at all, and this week we will be focusing on lentils as the base for the soup. To start, in a medium saucepan or pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and then add in a diced large white onion, you can use red if you prefer, and then a few cloves of minced or crushed garlic. Then you want to saute until softened for around 4 to 5 minutes. Now whilst your onion is cooking, you want to slice a carrot or two and then cut it in fairly chunky lumps. You don't have to go completely fine with this, as this soup is going to be blended later on. But if you do cut it too chunky, just remember your blender's got to keep up with the chunks. Now once your onions have softened, add in your carrots along with 400 grams or 2 cups of dried red/orange lentils. I don't know why they're called red, they're orange to me. Might just be my eyes, but I swear these are orange lentils. 40 grams of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric. You could also sub the ground spices out for equal parts of curry powder for a similar tasting colour, but maybe just a bit more of a spicy hint to it. Then you want to give a good stir to coat the lentils and then pour over 5 cups or around 2 litres of chicken or vegetable stock and let simmer for around about 30 minutes. What you're looking for is for the lentils to swell and become very soft and not crunchy, you know, soft, and then for the carrots to be cooked. Now once cooked, you can either blend it in batches with a hot food safe blender or using a immersion blender like I am, until the soup reaches the consistency of your liking. Now I do like a bit of a chunky soup, but with this lentil one I find it blends up really nicely, and because the way that the lentils are, they just add a little bit of texture to the soup anyway, even if they are blended. Then you want to pour over half a cup or 120 ml of cream, stir to combine, and then add any extras you want to add. You can add a little bit of bacon like I did, or a little bit of chili just to amp up the spice a bit. Any herbs, spices, croutons you want to put in, do it here, and then taste for seasoning, adjust accordingly, and then serve. And there you have it, a nice filling lentil soup. Super easy to make. If you've never used lentils before, this is a great starter recipe to try them out. And that wraps up this week's episode, the second week of Souptember 2022. Now I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a fairly short video. I do have some extra things on the way, possibly breathing life into my second channel, which isn't going to be as regular as this channel, but it will be linked down below if you want to go check it out. It's just going to be for anything non-cooking related on that channel to keep this one nice and pure for cooking only. Now if you are new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content, and I will see you all again next week for some more good soup. Thanks for watching.